In this video, I'll walk you through how to change the language on Coursera. If you've selected a language you don't understand or simply want to switch to a different one, the process is quick and easy. When you're logged into Coursera, look for the globe icon in the top navigation bar. This icon represents the language settings. If you have selected a language such as Arabic or Persian, the globe icon will be positioned in the upper left corner of your screen to accommodate the right-to-left text orientation. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear, showing all the available languages. While Coursera doesn't offer every language in the world, it does support most of the widely spoken languages. If the globe icon doesn't appear on your screen, there's another way to change the language. Click on your profile icon in the upper right-hand corner, then select the third option, which is Settings. On the Settings page, you'll find the Language option. Click on it, and a list of supported languages will be displayed. Select your desired language, and the interface will automatically update to reflect your new choice.